Hey YouTube, it's Jared with Omnivore Blade-works, and the shop is a daggum wreck. My grandma's old Lincoln is in here, and my dad is in the process of fixing it. We built a new miter saw cabinet. It's almost finished. It works, but it's not quite there. This is kind of fun. Got the dust collection down going behind it, and we also have a little mug that can be removed quickly for the dust deputy. A dust separator for the cyclone dust separation. We have, I had a friend of mine who's got a sign shop, or he works at a sign shop, and he cut this round piece of plywood for me. I paid him to do it, but I had a really ramshackle piece of wood, this square piece right there, and this array of holes is designed so that after I build a standoff or replace these bolts with flathead bolts, or put this on here, I'll be able to have much better location on this table so that I can use my Dynafile to clean up the underhooking edges of the tomahawks. You can see there's a lot of machining marks. This is all CNC machined, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to polish the underhooks, to get them sharp to where they need to be, and then probably do a polish job on the middle hull, which I did with a countersink prior to the CNC machine, and maybe hit these. Those are pretty clean. They're CNC cut with a carbide chamfer mill. So by the way, my shoulder's better. I'm working with my left hand pretty well. Not working out really yet, but working. This is my first real week back to doing actual work. I've been messing around and doing light duty stuff. To this point. But now I've got a batch stuff in the oven. My apprentice came over, and this looks like we're done, but we did some black Cerakoting, and a Tanuki sword that I owe a fella is in there, and the rest is just project stuff that my apprentice wanted to practice on. So we got a M1A barrel and a blackout barrel. The Kydex press is ready to go. I've got a side job to do for another business associate. And then these Imamba and Taipan, Imamba XL Taipan D-guarded Tama thingy will be getting ground in the next batch. No rush on that. What is being done will be, or rushly, as soon as I can do it, I'm going to be doing all the work I told you about on the underhooks on these guys, and then doing a bunch of more deburring and finish grinding, and then get these tomahawks that y'all are waiting for out the door as fast as I can, which means there's going to be a lot of Cerakoting happening in this back corner and a lot of sandblasting. Got the T-slot table for the CNC router, so I'm going to build a new router cabinet that's more accessible on all sides. Don't know if you saw this, but I've got dust collection on my router table now a lot better, and it also runs out to the dual purpose bandsaw. This stuff is all still in the same shape, but now that I'm back to work with my arm doing well, I'll be back at the grinder and doing a little more cleanup. Because I've gotten a lot of back orders for Anubis tomahawks, I wanted to go ahead and get my new steel cut out, the last piece of 1095 that I had on hand, and then as soon as that comes back with a couple of new designs, we will be cutting the 3V and the AEBL, and we'll be getting ready for Blade Show next May. So expect great things this year. I'm back to operating capacity. This is actually one of the new designs that we'll be making. So or something like it. Also, we've got, I had a request just the other day for a shorter version of the tomahawk. So you can see I chopped a bad one. It's bad, you see. That blades are bumped on there. It's intermediate length tomahawk. So we'll have a 3B shorty. And this, I'm going to make, I think, 2 of these to start, just to test them out, and there'll be no holes in the head, just a camp axe or camp tomahawk. And that's that. We'll see you next time.